leaders, we are in this gathering today. We are not here to politic, but we are here to unite as Gauteng province. It cannot be correct that we are the first people of meet and greet, but today we are number one enemies. Kanjani? Kanjani leaders? Whether uyangizwa comrade or awungizwa kodwa indlebe ayinasivalo. Today we are here to unite in Gauteng province. We are the ground forces that are not fearful. I don't mind to say I was one of the soldiers that made it in Gauteng to be activated and be possible. Comrade province, Abopamkan, they know that. It is not a secret. However, we are here today to say, we have met, we have greeted everyone. Today we are going to make a rubber stamp of saying, we know you are my comrade. We know we have done this. So therefore, uyashintsha umshintsho namhlanje. It is no more a meet and greet. Comrades, I hope you are listening. Because ikusasa nizokhuluma izinto engekho. We are meeting today. Comrades, it is a meet and unity in action today. Amandla! Meet and unite in action. We are done with meet and greet. You are not greeting anyone now. We are uniting in action. They must know ukuthi umkhonto ufikile. Mayingabe la uhlala khona kusasa nePakistan elithengisa ukudla okubolile awukakafiki. La uhlala khona mayingabe kuvidiyo awukakaziwa ukuthi umkhonto ufikile awukakafiki. By the way, umama Africa lo. Umama Africa oke watshela South Africa ukuthi yekelani indaba yama position. Masambeni siya kuma video siyosebenza sibahlukumeze. It worked, commanders. It did not work to those who came here because they wanted positions. We have led in these organizations. We have led in this South Africa. I don't remember standing here to say to you, make me your convener or your parliamentarian. You must be careful of the gatekeepers. You must be careful of those whom we know that they are enemies of progress. If a person is saying to you, that's an enemy of progress. That is an enemy of progress. We are here to unite. Leaders, go back to your VTs with a program of uniting and actioning what Mkhonto needs to. It's in section 4 in our constitution. It is in section 4(1)(b), H and J. Go and read it, comrades. You will get the program of action, how to move this organization forward. Ngiyabonga maqabane amubuthusang commander lase Zamadube Brian anginibiza phakamisana izandla Lungile Rodmani Most Wanted Roni ubu Westland ubuvutha ubamnene ngamkhohlwa naye wayekhona umkhulu nabo bonke amakhomanda engawazi amagama abo. Commander Ivan, you were there with the first regalia Amandla. Let us go and work. Sibuyele masebeni. Let us stop gatekeeping. Kune administration work, kune political work. You can never be a politician ungakwazi ukuthi politics in. You cannot be an administrator when you are a politician. So let us share this pie. Izosilingana sonke. Amandla!